Relevance of research. Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at different aspects of research methodology. Now today let us look at the relevance of research. So research is something which is relevant to each and every human being. So you need not be a research professional, still research is relevant for you. And how is that? Think of our ancestors, that is primitive humans who lived in caves, and now look at the society in which we are living. So how has this change occurred? Well, this change wouldn't be possible without research. Now, human beings are very curious, and out of their curiosity, they try to understand this universe, the nature, and they try to make changes in their way of living. So then there was settlement, the food habits changed, social institutions were built, and such things happened, and that has led us to the kind of society we are living in. So research is at the core of this change, this development. So in the beginning, it must have been just about observations of the processes that were happening around them in nature. These observations must have motivated them to conduct some experiments in which, well, initially they must have been trial and error experiments. Then gradually they must have logically set up some experiments. So some devices and tools would have been invented, and some lessons must have been learned, and of course, most importantly, some conclusions must have been drawn. And of course, while doing that, they must have had to overcome several challenges that they faced. Of course, one important aspect in this was to understand the cause effect relationship, which enabled them to predict some events or some observations, and that too with reasonable accuracy. So, by understanding the phenomena and processes that were accessible, they were trying to predict something that did not exist so far, or were trying to vouch for constructing or putting their ideas into practice. Also, on the basis of the knowledge that they were accumulating, they were able to offer accurate explanations for the phenomena that they saw around them. In fact, there is a very interesting quote by Bertrand Russell. He has said, "We know very little, and yet it is astonishing that we know so much, and still more astonishing that so little knowledge can give us so much power." So, research in some way is search for knowledge. In the next episode, let us talk more about knowledge. Thank you.